Lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here with a Dollar General haul on my lunchtime. Did some couponing and want to share it with my lovely people, okay? Did a very easy deal at Dollar General this week. They have spend 10 and get $3 off instant savings. It is not a coupon, guys. Y'all know Crystal learned that, okay? As you can see, there's quite a few brands that are participating in this. Now, what I decided to get all Ajax, actually. And the reason why I did that is because these are gigantic bottles, all right? They're priced at $2.75. I bought 4 of them because I was trying to get to the $10, and that made it be $11. The instant savings came off of $3, but I had also 4 insert coupons for 50 cents each that took off an additional $2, or was supposed to take off an additional $2. However, the coupons would not scan for some reason. I don't know why. He just price overrid it and I got my savings. All right. So I actually got these. I got 4 of these, and these are the 52-ounce bottles. All right. So huge amount. So I got 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I got 4 of those. I think it's a great deal. It was $6 after he took the additional savings off. We'll take a look at the receipt. Okay, so there you see they were $2.75. So he had to go back and just take off and change the price, reflecting what it would be after the instant savings and after the coupon. Because the first time he rang it up, the $3 automatically came off, but then once he tried to scan the coupons, it did not. So, you know, just use your own judgment if you want to do the deal, but I still wanted to do the deal. He was willing to, you know, override it for the coupons. I don't know why they didn't want to scan, but at any rate, here we go. There you go. There it is. So good deal for me. Not quite sure why those 50-cent coupons did not want to work with this deal. It's obviously actually over the size amount that it requires on the coupon. The coupon actually stated for 28 ounce, okay, which is that next size under this, okay, but they didn't have those in stock at this particular Dollar General or the other one down the street. So it's all right. I was okay with this. All right. I was really okay with this because this is a huge bottle of dishwashing liquid. So that's ultimately $1.50 for this huge bottle of dishwashing liquid. That's a great deal, guys. So let me know in the comments below if you plan to do this deal. Okay, let me know. And that's it. Remember, clip to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.